How do you want me to deal with it?
Eh?
How do you want me to deal with it?
Grab his legs.
What, pull him out?
Grab his back legs, yeah.
You sure it's going to work?
I don't know, mate.
What about...
You stop him doing that. He's been stuck for a while. Okay, I'll grab his phone.
It's okay, little sheepy. It's okay, little dude. It's okay. Hello. It's okay, look. You're okay, mate. You're okay. We're friends now. We're going to try and help you, okay? It's okay. It's okay. Calm yourself. He's gone. Little guy must have been stuck there for a while, though. Yeah. Poor little dude. Okay, so we did our good deed. Look how the barn's held up with the bits of stone. Look.
Yeah, it's mad, isn't it?
That is actually pretty cool. You see the bits of stone. Back up the hill then, Murray. Wonder if Shaun the Sheep's for it.